the iPhone 16. Just the name gets tech enthusiasts buzzing. Every year, Apple raises the bar. This year feels different. Rumors are flying. Leaks are everywhere. We are in for something special. This isn't just another iterative update. The iPhone 16 might be a revolution. From screen size to camera tech, Apple is changing the game. Get ready to dive into the future of smartphones. We're breaking down everything you need to know about the iPhone 16. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. Let's talk size. iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max users are in for a treat. Rumors suggest a bump to 6.7 inches and a massive 6.9 inches respectively. That's right, almost 7 inches of pure Apple power in your pocket. This size increase means more screen real estate for everything. Gaming, immersive, movies, cinematic, productivity, through the roof. Bigger isn't always better, but in this case, it just might be. Remember those chunky camera bumps? They were a hallmark of early smartphone designs, sticking out like a sore thumb. These protrusions were necessary to house the advanced camera technology of the time, but they often made phones wobble when placed on flat surfaces and were prone to scratches and damage. Well, those days might soon be behind us. With the rapid advancements in technology, smartphone manufacturers are finding innovative ways to integrate powerful camera systems without compromising on design. Imagine a sleek, smooth back that feels seamless in your hand, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits. Word on the street is that Apple is leading this charge. Rumors suggest that the tech giant is working on a more integrated camera design for its upcoming models. This means no more awkward camera bumps, just a smooth, elegant surface that blends seamlessly with the rest of the phone. But that's not all. The traditional circular camera layout, which has been a staple for years, might also be getting a makeover. Apple is known for its innovative approach to design, and it seems they're ready to shake things up once again. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to feature a sleek, vertical camera setup. This new arrangement not only looks modern and stylish, but also promises to enhance the overall photography experience. By aligning the lenses vertically, Apple aims to improve the way light enters the camera, resulting in better photos and videos. This new design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about packing more advanced technology into a smaller, more efficient space. The vertical setup allows for larger sensors and more sophisticated lens arrangements, which can significantly boost image quality and low-light performance. It's rumored to house some serious camera tech upgrades. We're talking about improved optical zoom, better image stabilization, and enhanced computational photography features. These advancements will make it easier than ever to capture stunning photos and videos, no matter the lighting conditions or subject matter. Plus, there's a new kid on the block. The capture button. This isn't just any button. It's a customizable feature that can be tailored to suit your photography needs. Whether you want quick access to your favorite camera mode, a shortcut to your photo gallery, or a way to instantly share your shots on social media, the capture button has got you covered. This customizable button will give users instant access to their favorite camera features. No more fumbling through menus or missing the perfect shot because you couldn't get to the camera in time. With the capture button, everything you need is just a click away. Get ready to capture those perfect shots faster than ever before. With these exciting new features and design changes, the future of smartphone photography looks brighter than ever. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures, the upcoming iPhone models promise to deliver an unparalleled experience. So stay tuned and get ready to capture the moment like never before. Every new iPhone generation brings a new A-series chip. The A17 Bionic is no exception. Expect a significant leap in performance. We're talking faster processing speeds, smoother graphics, and enhanced energy efficiency. This chip is rumored to be built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process. This means more transistors packed into a smaller space. The result? A powerhouse that fits in your hand. Get ready for apps that launch instantly, games that run flawlessly, and a phone that can keep up with your every demand. Section 5. Camera craze. Tetraprism takes charge. The iPhone camera is already legendary. Known for its exceptional quality and ease of use, it has set the standard for mobile photography. But Apple isn't resting on its laurels. The tech giant continues to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with smartphone cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to feature a groundbreaking new camera system. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward in mobile photography technology. The star of the show, the Tetraprism periscope lens. This innovative lens design promises to revolutionize the way we capture images. This revolutionary technology will bring 5 times optical zoom to the iPhone. Imagine being able to zoom in on distant subjects without losing any detail. Imagine capturing incredible detail from a distance. Whether it's a far-off landmark or wildlife in its natural habitat, the tetraprism lens makes it possible. No more grainy zoomed-in shots. The tetraprism lens ensures that your photos remain sharp and clear even when zoomed in. The tetraprism lens is a game changer for mobile photography. It opens up new possibilities for photographers, both amateur and professional. Get ready to capture the world in a whole new light. With the tetraprism lens, your iPhone becomes a powerful tool for creative expression, allowing you to see and share the world in stunning detail. The enhanced zoom capabilities mean you can get closer to the action, capturing moments that were previously out of reach. From sports events to concerts, your photos will be more dynamic and engaging. And it's not just about taking great photos. The tetraprism lens also enhances your social media game. Share your high-quality images with friends and followers, and watch the likes and comments roll in. Low light performance is another area where the tetraprism lens excels. Capture stunning photos even in challenging lighting conditions, from twilight landscapes to vibrant cityscapes at night. And let's not forget about video. The tetraprism lens also enhances your video recording capabilities, allowing you to shoot high-quality footage with ease. Whether you're vlogging, recording a family event, or creating content for social media, your videos will look better than ever. The tetraprism lens is more than just a camera upgrade. It's a whole new way to experience photography. Get ready to see the world through a new lens and capture moments like never before. Section 6. Colour Me Impressed, separating fact from fiction. Every year, the rumour mill churns out countless colour options for the new iPhone. This year is no different. While some rumours suggested bold new hues, it seems Apple is sticking to a more refined palette. Expect classic colours like black, silver and gold to make a return. There might be a new blue or red variant, but don't hold your breath for anything too outlandish. Apple knows what works, and sometimes classic is best. Section 7. A display revolution, micro lenses and beyond. In this section, we delve into the groundbreaking advancements in display technology that are set to redefine our visual experiences. The iPhone display is already stunning. With its vibrant colors and sharp resolution, it has set a high standard in the industry. But Apple is pushing the boundaries even further. The tech giant is constantly innovating, striving to enhance user experience with each new model. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to feature a next-generation display with micro-lens arrays. These micro-lenses are designed to focus light more efficiently, resulting in a clearer and more vivid display. This technology will enhance brightness, improve color accuracy, and increase energy efficiency. Imagine a screen that not only looks better, but also consumes less power, extending your battery life significantly. We might even see the introduction of a 2K display on the Pro models. A 2K display would offer an even higher resolution, making every image and video appear incredibly detailed and lifelike. And don't forget about promotion with a variable refresh rate up to 240 Hz. This feature allows the display to adjust its refresh rate dynamically, providing smoother motion and reducing lag. Get ready for a buttery smooth scrolling experience and incredibly responsive gaming. Whether you're browsing the web or playing the latest games, the enhanced refresh rate will make everything feel more fluid and responsive. Behind these advancements is a team of dedicated engineers and researchers. They are working tirelessly to bring these cutting-edge technologies to life, ensuring that each new iPhone model surpasses the last. in terms of performance and user experience. Over the years, we've seen significant improvements in display technology. From the early days of LCD screens to the latest OLED displays, each iteration has brought us closer to the perfect visual experience. The future of iPhone displays is incredibly exciting. With innovations like micro-lens arrays, 2K resolution, and promotion, Apple is set to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. As we look forward to these advancements, one thing is clear. The iPhone's display will continue to be a benchmark for quality and innovation in the tech industry. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey into the future of display technology. Section 8, Wi-Fi 7, the future of connectivity. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to be among the first smartphones to feature Wi-Fi 7 support. This next-generation Wi-Fi standard will deliver blazing fast speeds and ultra-low latency, transforming our digital lives. Imagine downloading gigabytes of data in mere seconds, streaming 8K videos without a hitch or any buffering. Wi-Fi 7 will revolutionize how we connect to the internet, making everything smoother. Get ready for a world where lag is a thing of the past. Section 9. The price of innovation. All these incredible features come at a cost, literally. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro models might see a price hike. This isn't surprising given the advanced technology packed into these devices. But it does mean that the iPhone 16 Pro will be even more of a premium offering. Is it worth it? That's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, the iPhone 16 Pro will be the most expensive iPhone yet. Section 10. iPhone 16, a new era of smartphones. The iPhone 16 is shaping up to be a game changer. From its massive display to its revolutionary camera system, this phone is packed with innovation. The A17 Bionic chip will deliver unparalleled performance. Wi-Fi 7 support will future-proof your connectivity. And the new design will turn heads wherever you go. The iPhone 16 is more than just a phone. It's a statement. A statement that Apple is still the king of the smartphone jungle.